Yeah. Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to today's video. This is Shanmugaraj. This is my 63rd video of Safe Tour. Today's topic is Business Agility Value Stream, shortly known as BAVS. In my previous video, we talked about six themes of Safe 6.0. The first one is strengthening the foundation of business agility, right? So everything moves fast in the digital age. Customer desires, competitive threats, technology choices, business expectations, revenue opportunities, and workforce demands now happen at a blistering speeds. To address these changes or challenges, business agility is needed to compete and thrive in a digital age by quickly responding to market changes and emerging opportunities with innovative, digitally enabled business solutions. Right? The fundamental aspects of business agility include couple of aspects. One is business agility value stream and safe foundation is the second one, right? So we are going to look at business agility value stream in this video in detailed manner. Let us get into this video's topic, which is BAVS. The newly introduced BAVS has been added on the top of the big picture. So if you see my previous video, I've given the big picture to you. In the big picture on the top, we have something called business agility. So that is where the BAVS comes into picture. So BAVS is the leading way for competing and thriving in the digital age. It helps organizations quickly respond to the market changes and emerging opportunities with innovative and digitally enabled business solutions. Right? If you look at this picture, there is a business opportunity emerge and you are going through set of steps as part of BAVS. We are going to deal about all these steps in my subsequent slides. And then finally, your business opportunity is being leveraged. So you're going to take 2 to 6 months to minimum viable product. So we used to call that, MVP is minimum viable product. The speed at which you deliver MEP decides your business agility because the lead time between the you sense the business opportunity and you deliver the opportunity to customers, that decides your speed of your response to the market changes, right? With your digitally enabled business solutions, right? So this is the idea behind BAVS. Why do we need business agility value stream or BAVS? Digital transformation is advancing in almost all business processes. Technologies such as AI, big data, and cloud computing are unlocking possibilities for creating new customer value. New business opportunities emerge more frequently, and many have the potential to disrupt the market incumbents. The companies that continuously leverage the technologies will acquire more customers and improve value to existing customers. Ultimately, they will dominate their markets. All right. So the main reason we are getting into a concept of or a new lean agile practice of business agility value stream is because of the technologies of such as like AI, big data that is disrupting the current market situation. So every company has to adopt these digital technologies to thrive in the market, to dominate in the market. Right. Some of the examples are given here. Customers who can seamlessly fulfill their primary banking needs with an easy to use mobile app will remain loyal to the bank, right? Health organizations that pioneer virtual urgent care at home will earn the gratitude and loyalty of all those who need their help. A driver whose vehicle gets smarter and safer every day is more likely to remain loyal to that automotive manufacturer. So these are some of the examples where technologies like AI, big data, and cloud computing or Internet of Things been used. So they are going to dominate the market. So that is the reason we need something like BAVS. Let us try to understand why traditional development won't get you there. In this new reality, competitiveness equates to rapidly delivering digitally enabled solutions. So this picture, what you're seeing now, illustrates responding to a traditional pace gate development process may mean missing the opportunity, right? Waiting for a fund cycle, big design upfront, and long development cycle results in delayed technical and customer feedback, right? And more than likely, the learning at the end of the cycle, it isn't positive. Simply put, it is difficult, it's not impossible, to understand, adopt to customer needs and quickly deliver a solution with a traditional development approach, right? So that is where BAVS comes handy. So introducing the business agility value stream. So instead of going with the traditional development, what is needed is a rapid cycle of sensing and responding that helps the enterprise navigate the unknowns and arrive at the desirable solution before the window of opportunity closes. So this is the business agility value stream. So illustrated in this picture, and it is explicitly designed to foster rapid learning and enable more favorable business outcomes. By implementing SAFe, enterprises inherently develop the lean, agile, and DevOps capabilities so that will allow incremental delivery at scale. Although these capabilities are essential, establishing true business agility requires flow to be cultivated and accelerated through entire BAVS, right? From sensing an emerging opportunity to deliver the right solution, right? So the entire flow should be smooth. So you need to establish a true business agility, the flow needs to be cultivated and accelerated. So that's where the newest lean practices, that helps in BAVS as well. We understood why BAVS been introduced in SAFe 6.0. Now let us understand what are the different steps to be instituted as part of BAVS, right? While the specific implementation of BAVS depends on the business context, right? Organization, marketing, customer, technology, and solution, the steps and basic structure are essentially same, right? Whatever the business context, the steps are going to be the same. In addition, the knowledge, skill, and behaviors required to succeed with each step of BAVS, are described in the relative SAFe core competency. So during navigating the steps, we also going to tell what is the core competency, touched upon this particular step, right? So this agility requires all functions, processes, activities, teams, and events from end to end to be aligned and optimized for maximum speed and quality, right? So let's start with the first step, which is sense the opportunity. The core competency is organizational agility. So as put in here, right? The first step is, of course, to enable the sense the opportunity. This step requires SAFe organizational agility core competency, which fosters activities such as market research, analysis of quantitative and qualitative data, direct and indirect customer feedback, right? Direct observation of the customers in the marketplace, right? So most directly savvy lean thinking leaders go see and spend significant time where customer perform the work. They return with current, relevant, direct, and specific information about the realities of their products and services and identify the opportunities for innovative new solutions. The second step in BAVS is fund MEP. An enterprise must be able to respond quickly to these opportunities with nimble funding. Lean portfolio management is the core competency needed to support this step. With LPM, lean budgeting provides the ability to quickly allocate sufficient funds to build minimum viable products. An early version of the solution used to evaluate the primary business hypothesis. The minimum and MEP refers to the low cost of the experiment needed to test the hypothesis and establish solution viability. So these funding decisions become visible and addressed as a new initiative flows through the SAFe portfolio Kanban system, right? The next step is organized around value. The next step is to organize or reorganize as necessary to address the new opportunities. And MEP can often be built by existing agile teams or arts as the new work finds its way into their respective backlogs. However, creating an MEP may also involve modifying existing teams and arts An entirely new development value stream may need to be formed in a more extreme case. Right? Two core competencies, team and technical agility and organization agility, enable this flexibility. Next step is connect to customer. Agile development is inherently focused on assuring a direct connection to the customer, and customer centricity is the mindset that underpins it. This way of doing business focuses on creating positive experience for the customer across the enterprises, complete set of products and services, and throughout the entire customer journey. Design thinking provides the tools that helps teams and orgs achieve these ideas by emphasizing the user to design the right solution. Agile product delivery is the core competency that enables this connection. The next step is deliver MVP. The proof is in the doing. Agile teams and orgs deliver the MVP iteratively and incrementally following lean agile practices. However, there are differences in how teams and trains work on MVP compared to evolving functionality in a mature solution. So there is more risk and uncertainty for a start. Unknowns may manifest in critical areas, including technology choices, implementation strategy, organizational expertise, deployment, operations, customer acceptance, and business benefits. More experiment and even faster feedback are required. But exactly what SAFE is optimized for depends on the scope of the solution. Agile product delivery and enterprise solution delivery are the two core competency that enable this step. The next step is pivot or persevere. The result of MEP is a set of facts that support a decision regarding whether to proceed with a further solution development. If the hypothesis is disproven, the organization accepts the sunk cost and moves on the other business opportunities. If the hypothesis proves beneficial, additional funding follows to enable further development. However, the MEP outcome is not always a simple yes or no. The experiment may yield vital insights that reveal new alternative solutions, right? So this decision point is a crucial investment milestone, and it's a crucial stage in the portfolio Kanban system. Again, a lean portfolio management is the core competency that enables this step. The next step is deliver value continuously. A successful MEP that confirms the hypothesis opens the gates to deliver value continuously with additional solution features. This process relies on agile product delivery that fosters iterative and incremental development powered directly by the art. So, building on DevOps, these practices include optimizing a continuous delivery pipeline that ensures a steady flow of value and ability to release on demand to meet the needs of customers and businesses. For some organizations, these solutions represent large, significant, and complex applications and cipher physical systems that require thousands of developers and many capable suppliers to coordinate their efforts within a solution train. So enterprise solution delivery is the core competency enabling this step in this case. So agile product delivery and enterprise solution delivery depends on the business context will be available as a core competency for delivering value continuously. So we have reached final two steps. The next step is learn and adopt. Learn and adopt is not a final step, right? A single initiative rarely determines business outcomes. Instead of the enterprise learns from BAVS the process and adopts based on these learnings, right? Measurement is an integral part of improvement. There are three measurement domains: competency, flow, and outcomes. I'll try to put a separate video around that, right? So those provide, right, those aspects, right, competency, flow, and outcomes provide a critical perspectives and measures of organization performance that help identify impediments and opportunities for improvement. The next thing is the continuous learning culture, right? So CLC, right? So you can call that CLC, continuous learning culture, is the core competency that is primarily driving force behind positive change. That's the primary force behind learn and adopt. A learning organization has a sense of urgency, constant looking for new business opportunities and improvements in existing process and solution. Indeed, the behavior is an example of continuous learning enabling continuous innovation. In addition, other forms of learning and adaptation happen through regular I&A events at every levels of safe operating system. So that's about learn and adopt, which is supported by the CLC. The final step is lean agile leadership enable the BAVS. None of this happens without lean agile leadership, the foundation of SAFe and BAVS. The BAVS represents a new way of working for most enterprises, which is substantially different from the status quo and affects most aspects of a modern enterprise. So lean agile leaders view the organization as a dynamic set of business agility value streams that pursue and leverage critical business opportunities, and importantly they lead the change to arrive at this new state. After that, they focus the organization on successful BAVS execution, improving the BAVS performance over time, right? So only then business agility can be achieved, right? So lean agile leadership is a foundational core competency that supports entire value stream of BAVS. So with that, we have come to the conclusion of this video about BAVS. Hope you got a nice idea about what is BAVS, right? Business agility value stream. How adopting BAVS helps, companies or enterprises getting into new technologies like AI, big data, and cloud kind of things. And we understood the need of BAVS. The traditional things will not work. And also we understood what are the 7 or 8 steps as part of BAVS, and what are the core competencies that supported in lean agile practices as part of SAFe 6.0. Hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like this and then spread it across with your friends, so that it helps the people who wanted to learn more about agile and agile leadership things, right? So with that, I'm signing off today. Take care. Bye bye.